Good evening. Chief guest of the day, Mr. Vinayak Narade, additional SP of our Palghar district, Mrs. Kanchan Narale, who is accompanying him, who is amongst us, members of the Aldal Education Trust, principals of various colleges in the campus, Principal Sister Veena Montero of the St. John International School, senior management members, Reverend Father, Reverend Sisters, school management committee members, PTA members, my dear parents, and my dear students. It is a proud moment for us to announce that the St. John International School has been ranked as the #1 school in Palghar district by Education World. This would have not been possible without the efforts of our wonderful teachers, talented students, and supportive parents. As a campus, we have made some significant progress. Our St. John Engineering and Pharmacy College is the first college in the Palghar district and the youngest college in the Maharashtra state to gain autonomous status. Also, the same status is given to our engineering college, that is St. John College of Engineering and Management, the autonomous status last year. In 2024, we have launched the Aldal College of Pharmacy, offering D Farm and B Farm, and Aldal Institute of Management Institute, that is offering the PGDM courses in general PGDM and also pharmaceutical management. This reinforces our commitment to ensure that students of Palghar can enjoy KG to PG education in a single campus, and we hope maximum students will take benefit of this. We now offer 35 multidisciplinary courses in the higher education in the place like Palghar, multidisciplinary courses from technology, pharmacy, hotel management, and humanity science courses, that is arts, science, commerce, and new generation courses. In all, 35 degree courses we have in this campus. In the St. John International School, I am happy to announce that we will be shortly launching new robotics lab, new virtual reality lab, new artificial intelligence lab with Mac computers. Through this, we are integrating technical education right from the schooling stage. These devices are procured, the staff will be trained, and the labs will be functional from the January 2025. We will continue to provide new initiative and innovative facilities to improve the education being imparted to our students. Today, we will witness we have already witnessed and yet to witness the efforts of our young ones who have put up, along with their teachers, a multiple show on the stage. Directors and choreographers also supported them in putting up this show. I am sure that every child is enthusiastic about expressing their talent in the best possible manner. I congratulate all the staff of the St. John International School for their perseverance and their hard work, not only for today's program, but also for every single minute of each day that they spend in enlightening the young minds. We expect the continued support of our parents in all our endeavors, and I wish our students a fulfilling and successful career ahead. Thank you very much. Thank you.